This video is for introducing our amazing SLA300 3D printer.
The spot accuracy is 0.1 mm, 355 photosensitive resin is used. The resin group can be replaced and upgraded. The 3D printer is being tested. In the following videos, we will show you the features of this printer to give you an idea of the special performance of this machine. First of all, the size of the spot of our ZONGHENG SLA300 model can reach the accuracy of 0.1 mm. We can ensure that the spot is always stable during the printing process. Our debugging section will carry out a multiple print test to verify whether the accuracy of spot has reached the factory requirements. Secondly, we will use various types of 355 photosensitive resin for printing. To ensure that each resin has excellent sensitivity and stability on this printer, we will also adjust the printing speed and exposure time, so that each type of resin can get the best printing effect. Finally, we will show you the replaceable and upgradeable feature of the resin tank. Whether it is changing different types of resin or upgrading the capacity of resin tank, we can easily achieve this. This gives you more flexibility in your option and a convenient printing experience. Let's explore the essence of SLA300 printing technology and feel the infinite possibility brought by technology.